We're excited about fresh oil, new wine, and we want the ladies to know that you'll enjoy every session. My wife Paulette and Ronnie's wife Kelly Nicole enjoy leading and having so much going on for the women. A lot of our staff, senior staff, are women, and we always have a women's luncheon. That has a ticket cost with it. And this year, Angie McGregor has asked Paulette to be the speaker. And so we're quite excited about that. Paulette always comes fully prepared and always has a timely word from the Lord. And you know, I don't know, she's led that luncheon for years, and now others, Angie will be leading now, and the rest of the women in the church. So this is kind of her swan song as well. So I hope and pray that women will go ahead and begin to sign up and order your tickets in advance, especially if you're a part of Abba's house, because last year about 50 of you couldn't get in because you waited to the last minute. So let's get those tickets ordered. The proceeds, by the way, any excess proceeds from that event are going right into Abba's house and its work around the world. So we're excited about that. We believe it's going to be fabulous. So I think the theme is FixHer Upper. And many of you watch the games, I'm sure, from Waco and all the other FixHer Upper shows that are on out there. Well, you know, God can fix us up too, can't He? If we're broken and hurt, He can make us brand new. And that's the theme of the conference. So we're looking forward to welcoming the women to Fresh Oil, New Wine.